My name's Jess. I'm a response constable based in Gwynedd South. At the moment, I work out of Lleol station. I have worked on response for most of my career. I have also been tutor constable. I've worked on the neighbourhood tasking team, and I've also been part of the prisoner interview team as well. But I'm back on response. It's my favourite place to work. The role is so diverse. We often call ourselves, social workers, paramedics, problem solvers. We do absolutely everything. A typical day for us, we will deal with 999 calls, non-emergency calls. As well as that, we carry our own workloads. So typically, a response constable will pick up a job. We will arrest the suspect if there's a necessity to do that. We'll investigate, take statements, house-to-house CCTV inquiries, look to see if there are forensic opportunities, and ultimately it might also be ourselves that compile the court file, and hopefully if that suspect is found guilty, then it's a good result for all. It's got to be the teamwork. It's not only a part of policing, but it's very much a part of response work. We share the good times, the bad times with each other, bounce ideas off each other, go over our decision making. And although we very much have to work independently a lot of the time based on the nature of the role, you know that your colleagues are ultimately there to back you up, which at the end of the day is really important. Just go and do it. Don't let anything hold you back. And don't let the first no put you off. There are a number of colleagues I know, and they've picked themselves up after the first hurdle, and that ultimately is really important. They're really good officers to this day.